Hey everybody, my name's Megan, and today I will be going through my old clothes. My dad came up to me the other day, and he was like, my friend from Paraguay is making a care package for the town that she's from, so if you have any clothes that you want to give to them, let me know. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be putting everything in this box. I actually ordered some stuff because I didn't want to give them like used socks. So I got a whole pack of socks, and then some underwear. I read somewhere that like in homeless shelters the most requested objects are socks and like underwear. So I figure why not grab a pair. I already have some clothes picked out, so I'm just gonna put them in. I actually like had all of these clothes listed on Depop, but it's like they were listed up there for a long time and nobody was buying them and they're already like pre-used. I'm not gonna be donating everything that I have because some of these things I got in like a thrift store bundle box, and I spent money on those, so I'm gonna try and sell those on Depop and make money back. But like, there's gonna be a lot of things going in this box still. Don't you worry. Got this box to go through. A lot of these are like graphic t-shirts, like graphic designs, because that was like my style for a long time, only wearing graphic t-shirts, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just it's not my style anymore. That was how I expressed myself because I didn't have any personality to express, or like it's not even that. It was just like I was so anxious that I didn't want to express my personality, so I didn't. I don't feel like they would want this one. It's got Tate Langdon from the first season of American Horror Story. I'm not gonna give them that one. That's like embarrassing. Here's a shirt with some weird white boy that you don't know. Do you want it? You're like, what the fuck, dude? This is a nice shirt. It's a pink hoodie, and it's like a lifeguard hoodie. I think they might like that. Or like, I think that would be something good to give away. Like I said before, I only used to express myself with like graphic t-shirts, and you know, you can't always wear graphic t-shirts to every function. So what I had to do when I had to go somewhere that I had to dress up is I would go to the mall with my mom, and she would make me pick something out to wear that was like girly, I guess. It was like, you know, like a blouse or a skirt or a dress. Since I never developed a type of style for that, I never knew like what I'd liked. So I was left with all of these clothes that I didn't even like, that were like, they were stylish clothes, but I didn't even like them because they weren't my style. It was really my mom's style that I had. I think these are like capes, but my dad said that they also want toys, so this is kind of like a costume. Is that considered a toy? I don't know. Also, here's something interesting that happened today. I lost my fish. I don't know what happened. I had 4 betta fish in a tank, and now there's only 3. I like cleaned the entire tank to see if I could find a body. There's no body. I don't know what happened to it. Maybe my cat ate it somehow, or like it could have decomposed in the tank, but there wasn't any areas that had evidence of decomposition. So I don't know what happened. If you guys see a red betta fish, her name's Pam, please let me know. Thank you. I just pulled a few more things out of my closet. I have way too much clothes still. Like, all of this stuff that I'm taking from is like things that I was planning on giving away anyway. Or, like, trying to sell on Depop anyway. Like, I think I do have a lot of clothes, but I do wear most of it. Cute little pink sweatshirt. This is mostly t-shirts. Like this one, I was like, should I do it? Because it's like, it's got a dream catcher on it. This is from the thrift store as well, but like, bro, I'm pretty sure like you're not supposed to have a wind catcher. I don't know. It's a cool shirt though. Those wolves are pretty sick. I don't know if you guys experience the same thing, but like I get emotionally attached to clothing. So it's like I'll have a shirt or something that I never ever will wear, but I used to wear it a lot, or like it has some special memory behind it. So I'm like, I can't get rid of it because of this, even though I will never wear that shirt again in my lifetime. I'm diseased, baby. My lord. Like this shirt, I got it in Costa Rica, but I'm never gonna wear it. But like I only wore it like maybe 3 or 4 times, and then I just stopped wearing it. And I'm like, I can't get rid of it because I got it in Costa Rica. So it's like, why am I still holding on to it if I know that I'm never gonna wear it? So I'm gonna pass it on, unless somebody else wear it. Okay, this next one, if any of you tell my mom, I'm gonna be so upset. This is a dress that she got for me. Bro, the tag is still on. I just wasn't a feminine kid, okay? I just like didn't wear dresses and stuff. And she would buy me them all the time, and I would never wear them. Like this dress, I probably got like 7 years ago, and I haven't worn it. It's just not my style, and I told her that when she gave it to me, and then she's like, no, I'm gonna put it in your closet anyway. She's like, no, like maybe you'll change your mind. I'm gonna put it in your closet so it's there if you ever want to wear it. And I'm like, okay, I'm never gonna want to wear it though. She's like, yeah, but like just in case. But I'm never gonna want to do that, but just in case. Goodbye, little dress. It's probably a cute dress, but like, bro, it's not my style. Now somebody else can wear it. And maybe my mom can find some comfort in that. But nobody tell her, please. This box, shit, it's heavy. It is filled to the brim, which is perfect because it fit everything that I pulled out for it. But yeah, that's the whole video. Thank you for watching me donate my clothes. I would inspire you to do the same. Go through your closet, get rid of some clothes, give it to somebody who needs it.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God! What is that?
I just had a gnarly wedgie. Ew. Don't look at my butt. Is that everything? I think that's it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Have a great life. I'll see you later. Bye.